We've all heard of AI and we all know that it's here, but until now, no one had quite figured out exactly how it was going to change the way that prop traders make money in markets. Except DXTrades might have nailed it. They've just released their vision of the future, and at FTUK, they've given us exclusive access to it. It's called Devexa, and it's a little bit like ChatGPT for trading. It can operate on your phone in your favorite messaging app or just within the DX trading platform itself. It looks like a very simple box at the bottom of your screen, but once you start interacting with it, you'll soon wonder how you ever managed without it. In this video, the guys behind the technology explain what it is and why you need it. Why did DevExperts decide to build a tool like Devexa?
The platform was created in response to the need for sophisticated AI-driven assistant that simplifies trading by automating access to information. One of Devexa's standout features is its knowledge-based automation, which allows brokers to instantly provide answers to common trader queries. By integrating tools like TechSignals, Devexa also empowers retail traders with advanced technical analysis capabilities directly within the platform. So it is making it easier for traders to analyze markets without switching between multiple tools.
The vision really is it sounds like it's a sort of like a bridge between what retail traders tend to have right now, which is a lot of manual work, and having some sort of an AI-driven assistant which can do a lot of the heavy lifting as well. Would that be about right?
Yes, exactly. So providing not just market data, but also actionable tools and insights tailored to each trader's needs. So the goal was to make trading more accessible and efficient by automating routine tasks and simplifying complex processes.
What sort of research and development has gone in behind the scenes to make something like this actually useful and for retail traders?
Yeah. That's a good question. Actually, Devexa's research and development have been closely tied to understanding and meeting the needs of retail traders. So feedback from retail users highlighted the importance of having immediate access to reliable market data. The development of the knowledge-based automation feature means traders can get quick answers to their questions. So whether it's about market conditions or platform navigation, directly within their preferred communication channels. So this constant iteration based on trader input or maybe retail traders' feedback ensures that Devexa evolves in line with market demands.
I'm a retail trader. What are some of the things that we can do with Devexa? What are some of the things that I'm going to find useful as a trader?
Actually, there are lots of cool features that Devexa have for retail traders. So one of them is human to AI support solution. So okay. You can ask your question to AI and Devexa can answer you in just a second. Another thing is you can request for news and you can get your notification. You can set some alerts and also you can trade just using Devexa's widget. So for example, if you want to do some dollar cost averaging or maybe if you want to get some alerts from your favorite currency pair, they are all available inside Devexa.
Okay, so we've got the familiar image of DXTrades in front of us here. Just show us, Togay, now some of the key features of what Devexa will do, how it connects with the platform, and some of the things that traders can actually do with it.
We have Devexa on bottom right corner as a chat widget. So let's open it. We have 4 key tabs. So the AI Assistant tab, Feed, Announcements, and Feedback. AI Assistant tab actually serves as an intelligent hub. It combines live chat, video calls, screen sharing, broadcasting, and chatbots into a single tab. The Feed tab is where users can find personalized news and updates relevant to their trading interests and ensuring they are always informed at the latest market movements and trends.
If I'm, say for example, I trade a lot of gold or I trade a lot of metals as an asset class, Devexa is actually just picking out news items that are specific to those kinds of markets. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. So we deeply integrated into the platform. So we know that you are trading some instrument, so you might be searching some instrument. You might be having some open positions of some instrument. So Devexa curates all the related news for you, and it shows you all just the related ones without bothering you with different kind of news. So the next thing is announcement tab. This is dedicated for broadcasting important company messages and updates, ensuring users stays informed about significant events and communications from organization. So whether it's a major company milestone, a crucial update, or general news, so the announcement tab keeps everyone in the loop with timely and relevant information. And lastly, we have feedback tab, and it allows users to share their thoughts and suggestions, helping them to improve their experience.
That's very, very cool. That's really cool. So if you're working with a company like FTUK, the community can be connected basically with all like specific messages that need to be broadcast to different to all our groups of traders in one go, which is a really, really cool feature.
Yes, let me quickly show you how Devexa reacts for simple comments. For example, I can ask, what if I bought euro dollar last week? So Devexa provide insights based on historical data. So if you bought euro dollar on September 10th, by now you would make that amount of money. So actually we are using historical data, and you can ask for what should I do? What if I bought Apple? What if I bought Tesla next year, the previous year, last week, or some specific date? Along with that, we can set alerts for our favorite currency pairs or for our favorite stocks. So, for example, I want to be notified for the Apple when Apple hits $250. So Devexa will notify me when Apple hits that amount. And when Devexa will notify me, there will be some complementary buttons. So there will be chart buttons, there will be buy and sell buttons. So those buttons will enable traders to quickly get action, and they can initiate that buying and selling just those buttons.
So I can actually execute my orders through this tool as well?
Yes, actually Devexa allow you to place your orders, place your market orders, place your limit orders. So buy that amount of this one from now, or sell that amount of money. But also we have dollar cost averaging. So DCA is available with Devexa. So for example, you might want to sell some of your currency pairs at the first day of the month at 2. So then Devexa will want me to confirm this request, and when I confirm, actually Devexa will hold this information inside of it, will store it, and when the time comes, so in this case it is first day of each month, and then Devexa will send this order to the trading platform, and then your order will be executed.
So that's like a form of advanced order management. I don't even need to worry about it on the platform. I can just get Devexa to handle and manage all of that for me.
Yes, exactly. But also, whenever an order is executed, the system generates a notification. So this keeps traders informed about all their trades without needing a constantly check, as you said.
Wow, that is very cool. So already you can start to see how useful a tool like Devexa can be in helping you manage your orders or filtering all of the information that you have to wade through as a trader. But there's much more to it than that, because Devexa is an ecosystem, and that means that they've opened up the platform to third-party developers. Now, there's an AI startup company called TechSignals, and they've created the most amazing technical analysis tool, which will break down any chart that you give it in breathtaking detail. The founder, James Maloney, gave us a quick demonstration of what it's capable of, and this will take your trading to the next level.
Here is someone who is talking about like a bull flag opportunity with Bitcoin. So in here, I'm just going to paste in this chart that I found online. What it's going to do is it's going to interpret it. It's going to talk about the flag pattern.
Yeah.
It's going to look at the different targets, and it's going to give you what this means. And it's obviously going to tell you a little bit about the fact that it's Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Critically, you can do this for anything. So in here, it's identified the security. It's talking about the flag pattern, support and resistance, and critically, like the price targets that they're talking about, and why these price targets, are being referenced as part of the bullish case and the bearish case. Like, does it fail to break out? That is the bearish case. which is not at all part of this image. There is no bearish case in what they're presenting, but what it's saying is like, this may not actually happen. Final thing, let's jump across to Solana here. I love using the Solana on the weekly chart because if you go and you use a fib retracement, you go all the way down here, like top to the bottom of the previous cycle, you can kind of see that she's behaving in a way that you would kind of expect. So you can come in here and you can analyze this. The Solana, and it talks about the different levels of the Fibonacci that you've given it and the different indicators. And it will start to talk about integrating all of this. So the support levels around the Fibonacci line. Same thing in the bearish case, key levels. We start integrating all of that.
So what we're seeing with Devexa is a glimpse into the future of what trading is going to be like. These are tools that are going to help save you time, fix some of your trading problems, and make more efficient decisions. So whatever you do, do not ignore AI. It is going to change the way that we all trade. The trick is to embrace it and incorporate it into your day-to-day trading. And that's why at FTUK, you'll be able to get a 7-day trial of all of these new tools with all of our DX accounts. The future is here, and this is just the beginning.